Hi, this is Gabriel, and I'm going to show you what I've been doing during the second month of GSoC 2020. Now I'm going to show the application that aims to display sea surface temperature of a specific region on the liquid galaxy. The temperatures to be shown are based on three cases. First, we have the historical data, historic temperatures that shows temperatures from data that we have stored in local. In this case, these local files are CSV, as we can see here. These files have 4 columns: time, latitude, longitude, and the temperature. And we have almost 1 million of entries for just 4 days of data. Then we have real-time temperatures, where the application makes a query to an API to download the data and creates a KML of the selected region on the fly. And after all, we have the future temperatures, where the application creates a KML with data obtained from a prediction model that was created as part of my master's degree final project. Now I'm going to show how the application works. First, we have historic temperatures that we can go there just clicking in historic. Here we have a map where you can pick a region to be displayed, and here we have a date picker that it's limited. The date picker it's limited to the time that we have on our data. In this case, we have data from the 1st to the 4th of January of 2018. So if we cannot select, if we won't check that checkbox, the KML will create a sequence from the date that we have picked until the end of our data records. And if we chose a second date, the sequence will be from the date that we have chosen first until the second. In this case, we are going to create a sequence from the first until the end for the East Pacific Ocean region. Then click on submit, and here you can see the verbose that we have the filtered data from the time that we have picked, from the 1st until the 4th, and the latitude and longitude for the points that are in the region that we have chosen. Here we have the result of the KML generation for historic data for 4 days. We could see the sequence, and these are all the temperature regions created based on clustering methods. Then we have the real-time visualization, where, as before, we have a map where we can pick the region that we can display on the liquid galaxy. And here there is no date picker because we are going to request an information downloaded from the API and create the KML. So click on submit, And here on the verbose we can see the downloading of the requested data, and here we can see the information, well, the data already filtered, because we have downloaded data from the whole world, and we have filtered for the region that we have picked, that we have selected. So, well, until now the application was converting the downloaded data to a data frame that we can manage. So here is the information, and the created KML is successfully. Here we can see the result of the KML generation for real-time data. This is the downloaded data processed to create a KML, and this is the visual result. And last but not least, we have the future visualization, where this page is the same as before. We have a map where you can choose a region, and that's all, because the prediction is for a future instant, so you cannot pick the date that you want to visualize. It's just a future instant. So pick the region and click on submit. Until now the model, it's not implemented yet with the application. It's exported but not implemented. So the KML generated, it's based on 1 day of stored data. This is the result for future data. As I said, it's just what we are seeing is just a 1 day of stored data, but the visualization result will be the same when we get the information from the prediction model. And this is all that I have for now, and I hope you are happy with the results. Thank you.